Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unban Tinder account. So the first step is you want to go to your browser or in the search bar. You cannot unban your Tinder account on the Tinder app. You need to open any browser, and on the browser you want to search for Tinder support. Once you search for Tinder support, first option submit a request. Click on that. It's going to take you the official like problem submitting page of Tinder. Over here choose who can help with and choose trouble with account login. Because we have problem with login into our account, and click on what's going on and click on can't log in, my account was banned, because our account was banned. So once we click on it, you need to enter your email address here. So I'm going to enter my Gmail address which was linked my Tinder account. But if you don't have your email link with your Tinder, just enter an email address whose access you have, because whenever they have some questions, they're gonna ask you on email. So enter the email whose access you have and just enter your phone number over here. After entering the phone number, in description you want to write what problem you are facing. Now if you got your Tinder account banned because you violated a community guideline, then you cannot get your account back. But if you got your account banned by mistake, then you can get your account back by this step. So what you want to write in this description: my account got banned for no reason by mistake, can you help me recover it? Now if you guys have a screenshot of like you getting warning saying your account is banned, you can click on add file to add a screenshot. But if you don't, you can leave it empty and just click on submit at the end. Once you click on submit, this problem will be submitted to Tinder, and wait for the reply on your email or on your phone number. Whichever information entered over here, they are gonna give you a reply on that saying if your account is unbanned, they are gonna say unbanned. If it is still banned, they are gonna give you a reason on why it was banned. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.